Have you ever wondered how scientists can precisely edit the blueprint of life? Today, we're diving into the revolutionary technology known as CRISPR gene editing. CRISPR stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. It's a game-changer in genetics, offering unprecedented control over DNA. Originally, CRISPR was discovered as a natural defense system used by bacteria to fight off viruses. This incredible mechanism is what scientists adapted for gene editing. In simple terms, CRISPR allows scientists to cut DNA at a specific point and either remove, add, or alter genetic material. It's like a molecular word processor for the genome. The CRISPR system relies on two main components to achieve its precise gene editing capabilities. The first component is the Cas9 enzyme. Think of Cas9 as the molecular scissors, responsible for making the actual cuts in the DNA strands. The second crucial component is the guide RNA, or gRNA. This acts as the targeting system, directing the Cas9 enzyme to the precise location in the genome where the cut needs to be made. The magic of CRISPR lies in this guided precision. Let's see how the gRNA finds its mark. The gRNA is engineered to contain a sequence that is complementary to the target DNA sequence, ensuring a perfect match and highly accurate targeting. For the Cas9 enzyme to bind and cut, the target sequence must be immediately followed by a short sequence known as the PAM, or protospacer adjacent motif. This acts as a final confirmation signal. Once the gRNA Cas9 complex successfully identifies the target and the PAM sequence, the cutting begins. The Cas9 enzyme acts swiftly, cutting both strands of the DNA double helix exactly at the targeted location. This action creates what is known as a double-strand break, or DSB. This break is the gateway to editing the gene. After the DNA is cut, the cell's natural repair mechanisms kick in, and scientists can leverage this process to introduce changes. One repair pathway is non-homologous end joining, or NHEJ. This process is prone to errors, often resulting in small insertions or deletions that effectively knock out a gene's function. The other pathway, homology-directed repair, or HDR, is used for precise gene insertion. Scientists provide a DNA template, and the cell uses it to accurately repair the break, incorporating the new genetic material. The potential applications of CRISPR are vast and truly transformative. From treating single gene disorders like sickle cell anemia to potentially curing complex diseases, CRISPR is opening a new frontier in medicine. With such power comes responsibility. The ability to edit the human germline raises crucial ethical questions that require careful consideration and public discussion. CRISPR has rapidly evolved into one of the most powerful and versatile tools in modern biology. It's a technology that is not just advancing science, but changing our fundamental relationship with life itself. Thank you for watching.